I may not always have the words to tell you how much I love you, but I will find a way to show you I care. Just know that I loved you yesterday. I loved you more today, and I will love you until there's no tomorrow. I can't believe I even made it through a day without you in my life. Know that you are a part of my world. I cannot imagine spending on her no 1 minute without you around. Thank you for making me happier than I even knew possible. I never believed in karma until I met you, because man, I must have done sometime truly terrific in the past to deserve this life. Thank you for making all my days brighter. Do you think we met by chance, or do you think it was written in the stars? It seems like the universe pulled writings, parted the tides, and moved mountains to make sure we ended up together. There are plenty of ways to describe love, just not the kind of love I have for you. That sort of thing can't be described in words. It's too powerful. I could spend a lifetime trying to describe it, and it still wouldn't be enough. If someone were to have asked me about my ideal woman, I wouldn't have had the words to describe you. You have surpassed all expression, fantasies, and dreams combined, just like a beacon. You make everything better. Very much hoping you can add me to your to-do list later on. I am basically a giant in singing amor, just in boxer shorts, butterflies are nothing. I feel the whole zoo every time you walk into a room. I may as well stop buying lotto ticket now. There's no way I'm going to hit the jackpot twice. They say love is blind, but I really hope it's not deaf, because you know I am talker. I love you more than pizza, and that's a pretty big deal. You light up my life like candles on a cake. I don't know what you see in me, but please, Lord, never let it stop. You are the best thrill ride I have ever been on. I feel in love with your inner beauty, but I also can't complain about what's on the outside. They say love hurts, so bring on the pain. You know it's impossible for me to count the number of reasons why I love you. Right? I think there's something wrong with my eyes. I can't take them off you.